Hi, in this video we will look at Woocommerce global options. Under Avada, go to Options, then click General Woocommerce. Here you can adjust total number of products per page and adjust column. You can enable or disable product image zoom option. You can set product images width here. You have option to adjust quick overview, on page checkout, etc. You can control social media visibility, product grid or list view. Now move to Woocommerce styling option. Control the design of the product boxes, choose from classic or clean. You can also control the top, or right, or bottom, or left padding. This option allows you to set the single product post to 100% width. Option to set equal heights for shop and product archive pages. Choose horizontal tabs or vertical tabs. You have option to stylize quantity input box. Control the shape, color and text for sale badge. You can also stylize out of stock badge here. That's all about global Woocommerce options.